Good morning. My name is Paul Brouillette. I'm with LAER Realty Partners here in Chelmsford, and I want to say thanks to you for tuning into our video blog today. We're going to talk about a very important process that is involved when you sell a home that was built before 1978 in the state of Massachusetts, and that is the Childhood Lead Poisoning Prevention Program Property Transfer Lead Paint Notification, otherwise known as CLPPP. Essentially, this is a notification law that's been mandated in the state of Massachusetts, and it needs to be implemented. And whenever you buy or sell a home that was built before 1978 in the state of Massachusetts, you're obligated to actually sign a document in which, as a seller, you disclose to a prospective buyer whether or not your home has been tested for lead paint. If so, you have a legal obligation to disclose that test to any prospective buyer, and that information that you've obtained from the test must be shared. That's state and federal law. Penalties for not abiding by that mandate can range from a $1,000 penalty statewide or a $10,000 penalty under federal law. So if you have any questions about lead paint prevention or how to navigate that in the course of selling your home, feel free to tune in to us and we'll be able to answer any questions that you have. But in general, what the law does is it prevents lead paint from affecting children who are under 6 years old. When you transfer a property, whether or not it's been tested, the obligation that you have as a buyer is that you become completely responsible for mandating that if a child under 6 lives in the property will either be lead-free or lead-safe, in which case the child will not be exposed to the possibilities of lead paint hazards. Lead paint hazards can cause serious brain injuries, it can affect red blood cells, it can affect the kidneys, and it can cause serious health effects if in fact it's not maintained under control. The government will actually rebate you up to $1,500 per unit for having your property de-leaded, and so there are a number of factors that you can learn by reading this document. It's a 10-page document. It must be shared with the prospective buyer, whether you buy or sell through a real estate agent, or even if a person is selling privately as for sale by owner, they have a mandate to disclose this information to the prospective buyer. So if you have any further questions, feel free to call the number on the screen, or you can reach us at homesrus.com. My name is Paul Brouillette with LAER Realty Partners. Thanks for tuning in, and we will see you next time.